We are hooking up the wireless remote to the gas-powered Grout Hog. Wireless remote, part number GPH-A-30, has your handheld transmitter and the receiver that bolts onto the Grout Hog. I'll show you where to mount this and how it hooks up. We'll hang this off to the side. The receiver, there's two holes already here on your Grout Hog. You'll use some self-tapping screws to bolt that onto the Grout Hog there. This cable is a little extra long, so I'm going to leave an extra loop in the top of it there. Then I'm going to shut my hood here. The normal handheld pendant, we're going to unscrew this. And we can take this off the machine then. Then the cable coming from the receiver. This is going to plug in the same place you took that one off. There's a tab in there that you have to line up with a notch on the yellow piece here. And then you tighten that up. Then to program the receiver, within 10 seconds of plugging that in, you're going to turn this on, hit your forward and reverse at the same time. And as we can see, it's not programmed here. So I'm going to take it off and do it again. And I hear the clicking noise in the back. That tells me that it is working forward and reverse. So now whenever I start it up, we should have forward and reverse working off the wireless remote. Looks like we might be at the gas. That is it for the wireless remote.